Turkey. So we're gonna go check it out. Nice. Going into a church here, huh? Yeah, it's pretty amazing how marble steps. Huh. This is where they're yelling at everybody. Well, this is definitely really super nice. A nice setup. Look at the sewer system here. Years old. Just amazing. Wow. I've been in the area for gymnastics or something. I've been here also, but it's closed off. Just amazing. Really amazing. This is like a, or maybe a way to escape through. It's a pretty big area. There was a toilet here. There's definitely like a wall that goes behind there. I feel like I'm walking. Wow. Wow. Nice. Maybe people stood there blessing you. Yeah, so you walk around in a circle when you come here, because there's a pipe down there. I'm guessing this is where, crazy. So this is where, very interesting, huh? My phone camera cut off because this is a fountain, and I'm guessing this was, but it's a huge baptism area. Was pretty, you know, for the pastor, I guess. And he's got his people came up here and was getting the oil. That what's left of it. Man. Beautiful. Wow. Ow. It used to be a rainforest. Definitely had a magnificent system, that's for sure.